Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to use JEEVN AI on the Farmonaut app. To start, make sure you have logged into the Farmonaut app and have already mapped your farm. Once you have done that, navigate to your farm on the app and look for the JEEVN AI button located on the top left corner of the screen. After clicking on the JEEVN AI button, a new window will appear. In this window, you can select the crop you are growing on your farm and the sowing month if applicable. Once you have selected the crop and sowing month, click on the Provide Crop Fertilization and Irrigation Advisory button located on the right side of the screen. The system will take around 15 to 30 seconds to generate the results based on satellite data. The generated results will display all the parameters related to your farm, such as soil nutrients, soil pH, pest and disease insights and remedies, irrigation insights, and weather data. These results will provide you with expert advice on how to fertilize and irrigate your crops for maximum yield. If you prefer to read the results in a language other than English, you can change the language by clicking on the language button located at the bottom of the screen. For example, we have selected Hindi for this tutorial. You can use JEEVN AI to get insights for any number of farms. To get insights for another farm, simply visit that farm on the Farmonaut app and click on the JEEVN AI button. The results will be generated in seconds. We hope this tutorial has helped you understand how to use JEEVN AI on the Farmonaut app. If you have any questions or feedback, please let us know in the comments section below.